Right, we're in the back of a coin shop. We got a 1924 St. Gaudens common date. A couple of these coins came into the shop, and the shop owner told me to take a look, and he said, "Hey John, do you think it'd be worth it cleaning these coins? Do you think it would increase the value?" And I looked at this coin and I said, you know what, maybe. Ben's back here with me. Ben, you want some more Smarties? Here. See if you play with that for a little bit. So, yeah, I looked at it. I said, you know what? There's a little bit of corrosion on there. This one's pretty dark, and we're not going to damage the coin using this product, which I do have a video on that, legally cleaning a coin. So I figured, why not make a quick video about it? So here we go. We've got 2 Flying Eagle pennies, and I'm going to use some of this stuff. See what we can get here.
What's the video?
I'm going to put a little bit of...
Try a junk one if you want, before you mess up those coins.
No, that's alright. I've done it before. I'm trying to get this camera kind of situated a little bit.
What you want to film with it?
I'm filming the fact that I'm cleaning this. So I took this, dabbed it in here, and I just started going a little bit in a circle here. It's hard for me to hold the camera. Trying to figure it out real quick and do the video. What do you got there?
I don't know. Open those ones, clean
You got
those
some
ones
more?
up too. And then I had a good one. This was a nice one. This one is not worth it to clean.
It might be.
I'm not gonna clean up the one, but it's not worth it. This one I want to clean.
Yeah.
This here. So this one is not. None of this is worth it to work on.
It's not worth it because it's not going to increase the value,
Yeah.
So these, like this one's...
Those are really bad.
This one's got really good details. It's going to take some of the darkness off. And the other one, the corrosion. So here, I'm going to quickly take a look. And right away, I mean, it just gives it a nice look to it. Those corrosion spots are still there. You can see remnants of it. But overall, it just gives it a little bit better appearance. We're not going to increase the value by $100, but it just might give it a little bit better eye appeal that somebody might be more willing to purchase.